Welcome to Wolfram Industrie. I'm Alex Waldrich, and today's topic is mechanized welding. How do you do it right? In manual welding, you can compensate for variables yourself. Welding automation cannot do that. That is why an optimized WPS, the welding procedure specification, is created for each application. First, you make assumptions about the welding process, based on the requirements and the material. This is recorded in a provisional welding instruction. Then it is tested and optimized. In order to obtain reproducible results, all influencing factors are documented in the WPS. In this way, the correct data is available each time the automation is set up again. The aim is to produce an arc that is as constant as possible. High-quality electrodes without unwanted inclusions or defects are the best guarantee for a constant, high-quality weld. Thank you for your attention. If you want to know more, we've made more videos for you. And if you have any questions, just get in touch with us. Until next time, I'm Alex Waldrich.
Euer Alex Waldrich.